This is during a live stream. Trias is what we're looking at right now. And I'm a little impressed with Trias because Trias has a macro channel. This channel here, it's 7 months long, which is the same length as Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is falling out of its macro channel exactly right now, like today. And Trias is still not just in it, but it's making a freaking higher low. I don't know. That's kind of impressive. I'm not gonna lie. For such a small cap coin, I don't know. That means they're doing something right. I'm not gonna lie. This does make me regret not buying down at the line that I put for everybody before it ever hit. When people said I was an idiot for thinking it's going under $1, I regret not buying that. Because the chance of it going all the way down to 80 cents again, I mean, it's kind of low at this point. Is it over a 60% drop? Yeah, I don't see it dropping 70%. Like, not even on a wick. I don't know. I think if you bought 80 cents, I think that's the bottom. It has a strong chance of being the bottom of this. And I don't think there's a single small cap altcoin that you could say that about. I mean, let's define small cap altcoin, like 50 million and under market cap. I don't think there's one in existence. So if it comes back down to $1.30, I mean, that's probably where I would be interested in it. And if it never gets there, then, you know, let's say it tries to stop here at $1.69 or $1.70. I would probably wait for it to take out a local high, like this local high here, and then make a higher low and then start curling. Then I would, yeah. So I wouldn't blindly buy here personally. And this is not financial advice. These are my ideas about Trias only. But I would wait for a higher low after a local high is taken out. But sometimes that's not the way it works. Sometimes they just V-shape and you get left in the dust. And that's the only bad part. And if that happens, then I would just have to get some other altcoin and wait for that to make like a 4-hour oscillation, which means a month to a month and a half out, and make a much higher low. Similar to how it took off here at 80 cents. Probably because I cover Trias more prevalently than any other YouTuber, and that I had my box here before price hit. So it might have been a self-fulfilling prophecy. It might have been. But that's how a lot of stuff works, though. A lot of things are self-fulfilling prophecy. It's just, when do buyers step in to make the pivot? Yeah, this is really strong, everybody. This is something else. I am actually kind of flabbergasted. It's in its channel. It stayed in the same type of channel longer than Bitcoin. I don't know. What is this doing versus Bitcoin? I mean, it's in an upward trading channel versus Bitcoin. Now, is it gonna fall out potentially? Yeah, but still, like, not even Ethereum is doing this versus Bitcoin. This is something else. This is really, then honestly, I would mix it with this. I would be interested in DCAing in as long as the US dollar chart agrees roughly, but I would be interested to look into DCAing once on the Bitcoin pairing chart Trias hit this level here. Quadruple 075. Down to potential, but also it might. So between 00075 and 00067. Once it's in this area, that might be the higher low of Trias, and that might be $1.30 on the. So this is not versus the dollar. This is Trias versus Bitcoin. But that could be an excellent spot. And that might be the exact dead bottom of the higher low. What I'm assuming could be the higher low. Yeah, Trias is looking fantastic. I actually can't believe it's hanging up there so long. Like it's really impressive. And I'm not even saying that as a big Trias fan. The only reason I cover Trias is because of you all. Like, people ask me to cover it, but from a charting perspective, it's by far the strongest small cap altcoin out there. Like, there's nothing else that I've even come close to seeing. Small cap altcoins. There are only a few large cap and mid cap altcoins that look as good. Hell, even that thing I just was it 𝐃𝐢𝐬𝐜𝐸 or it wasn't Carl the Moon's coin. It was something that sounds like it though. That's a mid cap or large cap coin. That was strong too. But among small cap coins, this might be the best one in all of crypto from a price structural standpoint. Very good Trias.